What are you doing? Cleaning the car. Someone's coming to buy Randy. Woohoo! Foxy's helping.
I don't want to buy Randy.
What are you doing? Eating Smarties and playing your tablet? Good boy. No, sorry. No. And then we're going to go to your school fair, aren't we?
Yes. And see a watercolor.
And yeah, that's good God. There's quite. How is there toothpaste here?
I do not know. Go see.
No toothpaste on your face. Yeah. So I've like wiped down all in the front. He's all nice and clean, but there's just so many crumbs. There's Aria. I swear she just eats and crumbles crumbs everywhere. You drove past far too quick. Ben's trying to clean the hoovers because they're both blocked and broken, so that's fun. Yeah, and I'm going to pick up some dining chairs in a bit.
You don't want to see the whole scene?
No.
Should we send Mika Ari to see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You excited?
Yeah.
Want to dip your hand in?
But you're choosing up. You're going for pink, aren't you, Ari?
You want pink? Oh, you'll be the first person to choose pink.
Really?
Okay. Yeah.
Mika, let's see.
Okay, ready?
Oh, look at that beautiful. She's like, oh, I'll have some paint, please.
On this side then, girls.
Go on then.
You ready? And make your Christmas
Make
wishes.
a wish.
There we go.
Let's see.
Wow.
Wow.
Look at those.
Hi.
Let's give your hands a wash and then you
Oh,
can
she's
just
so cute. What's her name?
Rainbow sparkles.
Rainbow Sparkles.
Yeah, rainbow sparkles.
Wow. That was good, wasn't it? Hey, it's 2:48 in the PM. The man came to buy my car at 12:30, and he realised when he got here that he couldn't pay in one transaction because his bank wouldn't let him. So he did it in one. He did one transaction, then he tried to do another one, and the bank flagged it. So we all drove to the bank that we thought was open. Turns out the bank is actually shut down, even though online it says it's there and open. Then he tried to pay it again, and it said it's as a pending payment. It can take up to 4 hours. So we're now just sitting and waiting. He's gone home. Ben has taken Aria to a sleepover. It's Ari's first sleepover. Like, it blows my mind. Like, how is she old enough to sleep over somewhere? She's still not sure if she's gonna stay the night or if she's gonna come home later. But the party starts at 3, and they're having like, it's a pamper party. So they're having like bowling at 3, and then pasta and pizza, and then they're going back to Ari's little best mate's house. This cat. And Gary, get off the fridge. And then they've got like the teepee tents in their living room, I think. So we'll see. I hope she does, because I think it'll be really good for her, because she is a little bit shy. Me and Foxy are just here. Oh God. I want to put the playroom in here, and put the dining table back in the dining room, so that when we sell the house, it's an extra it's like a dining room. So people, I think when they see a playroom, they don't look at it as a reception room, even though it is obviously a second reception room, because we've got the living room behind me. But I think when people see a playroom, they don't think of it like that. So I think it'd be better to have a dining table. And obviously for Christmas, there's going to be 10 of us, and we can't all fit around. Like, this table's not massive, and we can't all fit around it anyway. And also, I just think it would, because like the kids are always in the playroom anyway. So turn this back into a dining room, and then put the sofa in here somehow. I'm not sure how we'll do it, but I think it would be nice. So that's what the plan is for tomorrow, because we've got nothing else on. I'm making cabbage roll in a bowl. Obviously I'm carrying Binksy everywhere, because like, I'm not even holding him. Like, I'm obviously holding my phone. Gary's on top of the fridge for some reason. I went to my friend Rosie's house yesterday, and her cat Minnie did this to me basically, and I was just walking around her house with a cat on me. But she doesn't settle like Binksy does, because he's just settled there. Like your little lump, he's got a lump here. All the boys have got lumps. You see it? It's like a little ball. It doesn't hurt him. I think it's from where they all had their injections. They've all got them, and they all had their injections at the same time. So I assume that's why. Yeah, I'm making cabbage roll in a bowl. I'm trying to do a meal plan, but I've just got brain farts. I just can't seem to focus. And I was looking on the NHS website, and it was crap. Like, it was like family dinners, but it was all curries, which obviously some families all like curries, and me and Ben love curries, but the kids aren't going to eat curries all the time. So yeah, we're trying to do a meal plan for the next week. I did a new way of doing my eyeliner today, and I feel like this is my way of wearing eyeliner. I love it. I did a TikTok yesterday with the Wednesday Addams makeup, and I was like, oh my God, I literally want that to be on my face all the time. And so I kind of recreated it today without the freckles, because my phone's playing up. It just decided to stop recording. Yeah. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, so I'm making cabbage roll in a bowl here. Ben thinks it looks absolutely hideous, but I think it looks delicious. I need to do another food prep of because I like to get carrots and onions and celery and chop them up really small, and then put them in little bags in the freezer. But I think I'm going to do one step further this time, and I'm going to chop them up, blend them how I do, because I like to blend them like this, so that they're hidden veg for children. And then I'm going to put them in freezer bags flat. So that is what my plan for this week. Try and just stock the freezer so it's ready. Do you need some water, Binksy? You want to drink that? You want to drink that? Or do you want to get back on my shoulder? He doesn't know what to do. And we're doing the Christmas tree tomorrow. Also, the sprout update from a few days ago. We've got sprouts. They're already growing. So this is very exciting. I need to get some more jars so that I can, because I've got some different ones. I've got some radish ones as well, I think. I've got radish ones. I don't even know where I've put them now, but I've got radish ones as well. So, you're such a weird cat. I love you so much. Yeah, I'll talk to you later. Hey. Just had our dinner. I left my camera upstairs. Foxy's here. What's he say? Hi. No, you're hiding. Say hi. You got chicken nuggets? That Gary's trying to steal.
Then number 3.
Good boy. Got my shopping list there. I'll show you what me and Ben had. I made cabbage roll in a bowl. It looks disgusting, but good Lord, it's delicious. So yummy. So yeah, that's what we had. I've just used the Fenty lip gloss that Ben gave me. It's like a plumpy one. Ooh. It's the only thing I hate about lip gloss. You get hair stuck to you all the time. So yeah, Ben's gone to get some bits from Lidl, because the payment has still not gone in, which is so frustrating, because it probably means it's not going to be till Monday now, which means I can't order a new car, which is annoying. But yeah, I'm going to do that tonight. Can't say it out loud, because if I say it out loud, he's going to want to do it, and he's going to bed, so. Okay, it's like 9:15. I've just finished wrapping. I will show you my ensuite. So, for kids' stockings, Foxy's is mostly from a car boot sale. That is presents for family so far. That is all of Mika's, all of Ben's, all of Aria's, and Foxy's 5 presents are in there. Oh. So, yeah. if this is your first time here, we're doing that. We did it for the girls' birthdays as well, but we're doing it for Christmas, where it's 5 presents. So something you want, something you need, something to wear, something to read, and something to show we care. So we don't just buy loads of shit that they don't need, basically, and to kind of help them appreciate presents. And even Foxy's got into it this year, like with Fox, because he's only 3. We just did normal birthday presents this year, but he saw the girls, and then he's heard us talk about it, so now he says something you'll want, something you care, and he understands, I think. And then yeah, like a couple of Mika's presents from the charity shop, a couple of Ari's, a couple of Foxy's, or most of Foxy's stocking. It's a huge bundle of PJ Masks figures that we got for like a tenner. It's probably like 100 quid worth of stuff if we'd have bought it new, but he doesn't care, he's 3. So yeah, that is done. But I'm like square eyes now from wrapping. I fucking hate wrapping so much. It's like I'd rather go food shopping, I'd rather do the washing, I'd rather wash up. I just hate wrapping presents so much. I love giving presents, I just hate wrapping presents. So I'm done now, other than a couple of family members that I need to get some bits for. Everyone else is done. And I am going to go to bed because I'm shattered. Or I'm not going to sleep. I'm going to anxiously panic all night because Aria is at her first sleepover. And she's like my babyest baby, even though she's the middle one. She's the babyest one because she just still wants me so much and she's so cuddly, and yeah. I'm just going to panic all night while she's gone, so hooray for that, and I'll see you tomorrow.